Mechanoreceptors in your ligaments and muscles are constantly talking to the brain, sending afferent signals of what's happening to the joints or the structures, whether that's a change in length or a rate of change in length. The efferent response from the brain is for the muscles to contract or relax based on the understanding of it. So with all this afferent information coming to the brain's got to process it, understand it, and then send a response. When you damage, let's say, a lateral ankle sprain, if you damage the ligaments on the outside of your ankle, you also likely damage the muscles on the outside of your ankle, so you're going to struggle to balance. This is due to the lack of information or the reduced amount of information being sent to the brain. Because the brain's got less information, it takes it longer to process what's going on to get a proper picture. And it also struggles to understand. So then the response is not only less because it's got less to respond to, but it's slower because it takes it longer to process it. That's why you struggle to balance after a lateral ankle sprain.